Hello guys and welcome to Trade Edge. So this video shows my trade for Ambuja Cements which I took on 27th of April, and I've already earned some 70% profits in this trade. 70% return on investments in 2 days time period. You also understand how big is it. So I've been talking about the Gartley pattern with you for quite some time, and I've shared some of the videos for Gartley pattern, for Cipher pattern. These are all harmonic Fibonacci advanced patterns. So I have also given the link description in the description. I have given the link for how to trade Gartley pattern. So you can see in Ambuja Cements that it was a perfect Gartley setup for us. From you can see that I won't explain you what Gartley is. For that you'll have to go to the another video, but I'll tell you how it's like what's the trading psychology and what price to enter, and what are the targets which you are looking at when you are trading such a Gartley setup. So see, I entered at X. It starts with X to A to B. So all these ratios, the retracement of X to A, B should not exceed 61.8%, but we talk about the close of B. So close of B was 51.8. So yes, it is valid, but we take from wick to wick for measuring other ratios, which is okay. Then A to B retracement 52.7%, which still lies between 38.2 to 88.6%. You got C. Then again the extension, Fibonacci extension of B to C, gives you D, which the value for which was I entered at this price. So because the another criteria for Gartley pattern is that you should double confirm D by taking a Fibonacci retracement of X to A, and it should be 0.786. So this was my entry price. It was, you can see that it was not the lowest price obviously, and you don't even expect to catch the lowest price in a trade. That's not your setup. It's like the patterns are made by some people, and those people, it's like you have to trust them when you put the stop loss, and you just can't earn every bottom of the penny from this charts. So see, this was the price 0.786, and though this ratio can go from 127 to 161.8%, but 0.786, the condition got satisfied at 233, and this was the price at which I entered. As in Gartley, my stop loss was 218, which is pretty low, and but you see the risk to reward ratio for this trading setup, how much was it? Let's see. So you take from X to C, and if I entered at this price, which was 233, my stop loss was set up as 218, which is 15 rupees less than the entry price, and my targets are given by it can go to 255. So I had a roughly 1:2 risk to reward ratio, which is leaning towards a risky trade, but still, since the strike rate of this pattern is pretty high, I entered into it. So stock moved down afterwards. It's like from 233, yesterday it made a low of 228.7, no sorry 224.05, which is already 9 rupees down from the entry point, and at this point most of the people must have panicked, and they would have not considered 218 to be as their stop loss. They would have just tried to take out the money from the market, just because the markets are pretty volatile these days, and you see that 29th of April 2015, for past last week itself, the stock has been going down, the markets are going down. You just think that it's a trade gone wrong, and you try to exit from the setup without letting the stock to go till the stop loss price. So that's the thing which we as a trader should try to avoid. I don't enter and exit out of a trade in the day. I check my setups patterns over here itself, fix the stop loss, and then let the stock swipe out the stop loss itself. If I have to exit the trade, let the stop loss get me exited from the trade. I just don't enter in between. And then today you can see that 233. Whoa! So today it's opened at 230 and it made a high of 241.5. So I'm already 8.5. Sorry, its close was 238, and I'm already towards almost 6 rupees up, by 6 rupees up already in this trade. So so you should see that, and we should check the Ambuja Cements prices today. That see the call prices. Check it out. Call prices are like this is futures, options. I checked. This is how we take the targets. We take from X to C. The targets were 242, 247 and 254. So I took the call option. Strike price as 240, and see 133.33% the stock rose today. I could not capture the entire thing because I obviously didn't enter at the bottom most part of it, but still I was able to make 80% out of my trade, which is like a good value. So keep watching for more harmonic patterns, and this is the way you trade a harmonic pattern. This is how I earned my 80% profits in 2 days in Ambuja Cements. Keep watching videos for Trade Edge, and if you like the video, please click on the subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learn something out of this trade setup, and you learn something out of this Trade Edge channel, and you are able to make profits on your own trading platforms. Thanks for watching.